Right, people, welcome back to Baguettes and Asbos. We're back on series 2 of trading up. So John's challenged me to take the £500 that we made on the Colt to try and buy and repair a car to try and make some money on it. So I found myself a little gem, a little bad boy. It's loaded up on the trailer there, and when I get it home I'll give you a little run around on it. The plan with this is quick turnaround, get it sold, make some money, trade up. Got the beast on the back, little Bonnie Blues on the back there.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Is that a name then? Yeah.
Yeah, Bonnie Blue, but
It's definitely called Bonnie.
it's not been round the clocks like Bonnie though.
No, she's only got 77k, mate. She's definitely got 1,000,000 miles there.
Yeah.
This is the proper Bonnie Blue.
Yes.
Virgin.
So we've bought this off an old boy for very, very cheap. It needs a clutch. I found the clutch already. It's only a 1.3, so hopefully the gearbox will just drop out. We'll get that swapped over.
A few little bits on it, like the headlights are all murky.
It'll need that for the MOT, won't it?
Yeah, needs to. We've got headlight restoration kit. Needs some tyres. He thought they were all right, but they were a little bit cracked. He won't go through an MOT then, but they're only little wheels, so cheap.
But even if it doesn't pass an MOT, I can still take this down to We Buy Any Car and make nearly double my money.
Yeah.
So we're absolutely laughing with this little gem. So Bonnie's going to look after us.
We're going to look after her.
Welcome to Bonnie Blue, the Mazda 2 1.3 2008 with 77,000 miles on the clock. It belonged to a chap who I believe started getting arthritis. So he was struggling with the manual and he's burnt the clutch out. It's been relatively well looked after, and the chaps wanted us to get it back on the road and fix it up rather than send it to the scrap heap. I've been having the drive done. This is a little bit messy and we got dust everywhere. The next job is to get it jacked up, get the wheels off and get the fluids drained. Well, we did say it was a challenge. I've managed to get both drive shafts out. I had to drop the ball joints, pull the shafts out. I've loosened a couple of the bolts at the bottom. Now we've just got to get back up to the top, get the battery out, get the gearbox mount at the top, loosen the gearbox bolts, any accessories that are attached to it, and then see if we can get it dropped out the bottom. Now that's the battery out, gear selector's off. These top bolts are off, and I have pulled the clutch pipe out. A little trick, tape it up in a glove and catch all the fluid. Oh, I'm a little bit out of breath. As you can see, I finished the blocks. Now the reason I finished the blocks is in anticipation of this driving out of here, because as suspected, this is a very light gearbox, and this is one of the easiest gearboxes I've ever removed. Look at the itty bitty little clutch. Look how cute it is. It's all tiny. So yeah, it was out nice and easy. So we just need to get it cleaned up, swapped over to this new bad boy. So this clutch was about £55. Fluids, about £30. Car was about £330. I've just had to buy some new track rod ends just because I bust it up trying to get the drive shaft out, which I didn't even need to remove the ball joint, but I have snapped a bolt. So I'll put the total so far on the screen. So the kit consists of friction disc or drive plates, pressure plate, release bearing, spigot bearing, clutch alignment tool, and like I say, I've got the 75 watt 90 gearbox oil. And we're even going to need a little bit of brake fluid to bleed the clutch once we've got it assembled.
The next day.
Come home from work to this, and one day, boys, one day we'll have a Lamborghini on the trailer. So I'm filming on my own, on my phone, so I can't really do this and film. As you can see, camera's shaking. But star pattern, like that, a couple of turns at a time until the clutch pressure plate is nice and flat, and then go around again, torque it up 20 Newton meters, and we are on, installed. And as you can see, I've got clutch alignment tool in there. So next, I loosen this pipe up here to get the gearbox out, but I'm going to take it off so I can get the gearbox on nice and easy and don't damage it. Again, I'm filming on my own, so you're not going to see me doing too much action, but the gearbox is in. I've had to use my booster for the first time. It was that flat, the battery, you have to press and hold this for a couple of seconds so that it kicks in and goes into sort of override mode. We have it running, and she's in gear. And as you can see, we've got drive. Yeah, boy, just need to get these drive shafts in and get everything buttoned up. I am absolutely shattered. I've been at work all day, been up since about 4 o'clock because my baby's had me up. And now I'm in here, I think it's about 8:30. But, oh yes. Just need to get this swapped over, get the wheels on, and we should be good to go. I've topped it up with gearbox oil. I've bled the clutch. Drive shafts are in. Whew. If you're still watching at this point, thanks very much. Do me a favour, like, comment, subscribe. Get in them comments. Tell us what you want to see next. We should hopefully have a budget of about between 1,000 and 1,500 quid. You won't be able to tell because it's so quiet, but she's running. She's down on the wheels. Let's get in and see if we've got drive. Fingers crossed. So, clutches. Clutchy. Oh, we've got drive. We got a little bit of a squeak from the brake. But yes, boys, we are running and driving. Yeah, boy! Let's go! Now, you should always do things in pairs. So I've only done the track rod end on that side, sorry, just to test her, get her running driving. So I need to do that still. And there's a few other little tweaks and mods to do. But we'll do that in the next video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget, please like, comment and subscribe. It means a lot. And obviously, don't forget, tell your mum and tell your nan. Boys!